Curfew continued to remain in place in Imphal East, Imphal West and Thobal districts after violent clashes erupted during student protest on September 9th. The streets of Imphal city were eerily silent, with commercial areas including Quaramban Imam Market, Pauna Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar completely shut down. Business establishments have ground to a halt and commercial vehicles remain off the roads, giving the city a deserted appearance. Only pharmacies were opened in some areas, catering to the public's medical needs, while all other local shops and services were closed. Security forces have been deployed across the city, keeping a close watch to ensure compliance with curfew restrictions. Public movement was limited to essential services and medical emergencies as authorities conducted checks to prevent violation and avoid any further incidents. Unrest in Manipur has been ongoing since September the 1st, with Kuki militants firing and bombarding, leading to a curfew. Security forces have established stringent controls to prevent further incidents with 24-hour completion of curfew. In Imphal West, barricades are positioned at Yai School Police Lane, Kashampat Bridge and Koyathong. Similar measures are in effect in Imphal East, with barricades set up at Konung Mamang and Sanjentong. Movement is restricted to essential services only, as police and security personnel maintain a strict vigil to ensure public safety.
After the imposition of curfew at 11 a.m. yesterday, there has been a significant decrease in agitations and protest rallies. However, security forces have tightened their presence at various parts of Imphal to address potential incidents. This is SKTV Premchan reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.